Dibsies Personalization Station. Please make sure to read the manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. The Anytime chair must be assembled on a hard surface, such as a table, a carpet, or a padded mat. For installation support, please give us a call or visit us online. Start the assembly by checking the parts list. Verify that the parts pictured here are included with your assembly. Step 1. Attaching Part C, the back foam block. Begin Step 1 by locating the fabric slip cover, Part A, and placing it on a hard surface like a table. Open the zipper and flip the cover open. Make sure to loosen up and open all the white, Velcro fabric flaps. Hold the cover open and grab it by the tag. Next, locate the back foam block, Part C, and place it towards the back of the slip cover. Make sure the wider side of the foam block is aligned as shown here. Slowly insert the foam block into the backrest position of the slip cover, wider side first. Make sure the edges of the slip cover and handle are pulled back. If the foam block does not fit properly, double check again that you have inserted it correctly. The wider edges of the foam block should form the top and bottom of the chair's backrest. Once the back foam block is fully in place, secure the foam block using the 2 Velcro fabric flaps, as shown. Step 1 is now complete. Step 2. Attaching the Part B, round foam blocks. Begin Step 2 placing the assembly facing up, with the bottom exposed. Locate one of the round foam blocks, Part B, and place it inside the armrest. Push the bottom face of the block inside the armrest at an angle, away from the back foam block, as shown. Secure the round foam block using the 2 Velcro fabric flaps, located on the side of the armrest. Repeat these steps for the opposite side, and attach one more Part B round foam block. Make sure both foams are tightly secure. Step 2 is now complete. Step 3. Attaching Part D, the bottom foam block. Begin Step 3 by locating the foam block, Part D, and placing it towards the back of the open slip cover. To attach the foam block, slowly insert the foam block into the bottom space of the slip cover at an angle. Place it away from the back foam block and slide it into place, as shown. Make sure the foam block is fully inside the slip cover, including all edges. Next, locate the zipper and close the zipper. Hold the cover and slide the zipper all the way around. Once closed, hide the zipper by tugging it away until it is fully hidden, and turn the chair over.